Welcome back to my English podcast. Jason here. And today's episode is for true beginners. So relax, smile, and follow along because we will keep every word simple, every sentence short, and every step practical. Our goal is clear: speak easy English for real life, not perfect English for tests. And we will use short patterns, friendly phrases, and tiny daily habits you can start today. First, remember this. Fluency means you can understand and speak easily and smoothly. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need big words. And it is okay to make mistakes. So speak anyway. Now let's build your starter kit with simple patterns you can use right now. I am plus adjective. I am happy. I am busy. I am tired. I am ready. I have plus noun. I have a meeting. I have time. I have a question. I like plus noun, verbing. I like coffee. I like reading. I like walking. I want to plus verb. I want to learn. I want to rest. I want to practice. I need to plus verb. I need to go. I need to call. I need to study. I'm going to plus verb. I'm going to cook. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to try. I can plus verb. I can help. I can wait. I can drive. There is. There are. There is a bank near here. There are two shops on this street. Question frames are easy. Do you plus verb?
Do you like tea?
Do you work here? Do you understand? Can you plus verb? Can you help me? Can you repeat that? Can you wait a minute? Where, when, what, how questions. Where is the bus stop? When does it start? Oh, what is your name? How are you? For today and every day, the present simple is your friend. I wake up at 7. I go to work. I have lunch at 1. I get home at 6. I sleep at 11. For yesterday, keep it short. Yesterday I worked. Yesterday I cooked. Yesterday I watched a movie. And remember a few special past words like went, had, and did. I went to the store. I had coffee. I did my homework. For tomorrow, use will or going to. I will call you. Yoi, I will study. I'm going to meet a friend. Now let's learn the most useful polite words because they open doors. Hello. Good morning. Good evening. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. Sorry. No problem. Have a nice day. When you do not understand, use these safe lines. I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? Can you speak slowly, please? What does that mean? How do you say this in English? Can you spell it? Could you write it, please? For daily life, here are survival phrases you will use again and again. At a store, say, how much is this? Do you have this in medium? I am just looking, thank you. I would like this one. Do you accept cards? At a restaurant, say, a table for 2, please. Could I see the menu? I would like the chicken. No spicy. Please. Water, please. Can I get the bill? To go, please, or for here. For directions, say, where is the bus stop? Is it far? Left or right? Go straight. How long does it take? For travel, say, I have a reservation. Can I check in? What time does it leave? Which gate is it? How much is a ticket? For health, say, I need a doctor. I feel sick. I have a headache. Is there a pharmacy near here? For emergencies, say, please help. Now call an ambulance. I lost my wallet. I can't find my phone. Now let's make pronunciation simple and friendly. For the at, Sound in think and this. ID, put your tongue lightly between your teeth. And push air for think and add voice. For this. For V and W. Bite your bottom lip a little for very and round your lips for we. Itro. Practice very warm. We were very worried. For ed at the end of words, sometimes it sounds like T, worked, sometimes D, played, and sometimes id, wanted. Just copy what you hear and repeat slowly. Learn contractions because they are natural and clear. I'm, you're, he's, I don't, we're, there, it's, I practice I'm Jason. I don't know. We're ready. English has rhythm, so stress the big words and relax the small words. Say, I want to go now, not every word strong, and let words join like pick it up, call her, go on. Practice slowly first, and then a little faster. Numbers help you every day, so practice 0 to 100. Days of the week, Monday to Sunday. Months, January to December. And simple time like, it's 3:30. It's 5:45. And for dates say, August 5th, June 21st. To think in English, use simple chunk phrases that carry a full idea, like, I'm not sure. Just a second. Oi, one moment, please. That's fine. Sounds good. Why, I'm on my way. I'll be there soon. Let me check. I'll get back to you. No worries. To keep your practice easy and strong, do this tiny routine every day for 15 minutes. First 5 minutes review 10 words or phrases from yesterday and say each in a new sentence like, water, I need water. Busy, I'm busy right now. A call, I will call you later. Next 5 minutes speak out loud about your day with the simple patterns above. For example, I wake up at 7, I have tea, I go to work, I have lunch at 1, after work I walk home, I watch a show, I sleep at 11. Record your voice on your phone and listen one time. Last 5 minutes do listening and shadowing. Pick a short, slow clip with subtitles, listen once. Then copy one sentence at a time. Match the rhythm, match the tone, and smile while you speak. If you have more time, write 1 or 2 simple lines in a notebook like, today I studied English for 15 minutes. I learned 5 new phrases. Then ask a friend or a teacher or an app to correct it, and copy the better version. Here are 3 tiny dialogues you can practice now in your room. Greeting. Hi. How are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm fine, thank you. Shop. Excuse me, how much is this? It's $15. Okay, I'll take it. Thank you. You're welcome. Restaurant. A table for 1, please. Sure, this way. Can I get the menu? Of course. Anything to drink? Water, please. Coming right up. Build small confidence with small wins. So talk to yourself in English for 1 minute while cooking or walking. Say what you see and what you do. Like, I'm cutting onions. I'm washing a cup. I'm waiting for the bus. Agar and feel your mouth learn the sound and the rhythm. To grow faster, collect a tiny phrase bank on your phone with your top 20 beginner lines. For example, I don't understand. Please say that again. Speak slowly, please. What does that mean? How do you spell it? Oh, I'm learning English. Please be patient. Thank you. That's okay. No problem. I'm ready. Let's start. And read this bank every day for 1 minute. If you want one more easy upgrade, learn these daily verbs and pair them with time words. Get up. Eat, drink, go, come, make, take. Work, study, read, watch, call, meet, buy, pay, Try, help, start, finish. Use in the morning, but at noon, in the evening, at night, and make short lines like I get up in the morning, I go to work at 9, I eat lunch at 1, I watch TV at night, I finish at 10, I sleep at 11. When you feel shy, remember this small plan. Breathe in, smile, say your sentence slowly, and do not stop to fix every tiny mistake. You can fix it later. The most important thing is this: keep talking. If someone speaks too fast, be kind to yourself and say, "Sorry, I'm learning English. Could you speak slowly, please?" And most people will help you. If you want to practice with people, try a short voice message with a friend or join a slow English chat group and write one line like, "Hi everyone, I'm new here, I'm learning English," and read what others write. Simple is fine. Your progress comes from small steps every day, not from one big day once a week. So keep your routine light and friendly and repeat it tomorrow. I am proud of you for starting. I believe in you. And I want you to remember this little sentence. I speak a little English, and every day I speak a little more. Because this is the truth. This is your journey, and you can do it. Thank you for listening to my English podcast. I'm Jason, and I'll see you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking.